It's Emoji Day at school. Try not to smile. Ben and Rosie arrange crazy challenges right in class. Miss Olivia sees everything and asks Ben to come to the blackboard. But our brave Ben doesn't come empty-handed. He brought along a giant emoji pencil. It's a new challenge for Rosie. Will she be able to recreate the emoji on her face so that the teacher doesn't notice anything? Make holes on both sides of a styrofoam ball. Coat it with yellow acrylic paint. Paint an emoji. Create different faces on different balls. Stick a pencil into the ball. Cover it with another ball. Shape a giant pencil out of regular pencils and emojis this way. Paint a styrofoam cone black. Make it look like lead. Put it onto the last pencil. Ben shows the emojis on his pencil one after another, and Rosie obediently copies them. She laughs, blushes, and winks. Finally, Miss Olivia sees the giant emoji pencil. Very interesting! It has a whole row of emojis and colored pencils. Ben was bored in class, so he fell asleep right on the desk. And here's a great way to prank him. Rosie attaches stickers from her little kiss organizer onto his forehead. Draw a silhouette of lips. Draw the bottom lip again. Cut it out. Add details with acrylic paint. Attach the bottom lip to the main piece so that you get a pocket. Add texture with white acrylic paint. Put little stickers into the pocket. Colorful stickers decorate Ben's sleepy look. But it's time to wake up! Miss Olivia is talking to her students, but they are on their phones. Text us a message, Miss Teacher, and add some emojis. Miss Olivia knows how to distract the students. She has a big surprise for people who love using emojis. Draw an emoji with heart eyes on a round piece of styrofoam. Cut out the pieces with a modeling knife. Hot glue the emoji to another layer of styrofoam. Coat it with acrylic primer and paint it yellow. Pour melted red crayons into a half of a plastic heart mold. Evenly spread the wax over the walls. When it hardens, pour in another layer. Make a few colorful layers. Cut an emoji mouth out of brown and white paper. Put the hearts into the eye hollows. Put the cutout papers into the smile. The teacher brings a giant emoji. It looks at everyone with love because there is a drawing set hidden inside. Crayon hearts and paper. Now the students can write messages from the bottoms of their hearts. Ben decides to prank Rosie. He sneaks in a brown emoji. This pencil has a stinky reputation. Sharpen and cut a bendy pencil. Mix a light clay of the right shade. Roll it between your palms and wrap it around the pencil. Cut off the excess. Cut eyes and a mouth out of foam paper and hot glue them to the light clay. Rosie just asked for a pencil and got a smelly brown surprise. Thanks, Ben! You sure know how to make a girl happy. You can take your compliment back. How about pranking our teacher? But Miss Olivia likes the prank. Because what's important is what's on the inside, not what's on the outside. We're in art class. Ben is creating a new collage, and Rosie can't find her inspiration. Then Ben will help her out with his small inspirational emoji glue. Take the cap off an old glue stick. Press in a hole on the side with the heated nozzle of a glue gun. Apply hot glue to be a neck. Shape a wall around the edge of the cap. Even out the layer with the nozzle of the glue gun. Make a bottle of glue. Cut the brush off an old nail polish cap. Take the plastic plug off an old pen and hot glue the brush into it. It's a cap! Color all the parts with acrylic paint. Make a happy emoji on one side of the vial and a sad one on the other. Pour glue inside. Ben is using double-sided emojis to cheer Rosie up. Let's arrange an emotional workout. Rosie likes this exercise. She conducts experiments on Ben too. The friends will remember this emoji art class for a long time. Miss Olivia Cactus is telling us some new information and writes it on sticky notes. But they are way too small. The students squinted so hard that their eyes hurt. Then Miss Olivia finds a way out. Her giant ghost stickers are visible even from the last desk. Draw the silhouette of the ghost emoji on a big sheet of paper. Cut it out. Make a few paper ghosts. Draw the signature emoji face. Color it with acrylic paints. Attach the papers to each other at the top using a glue stick so that they look like giant sticky notes. Cut a ghost silhouette out of tracing paper and attach it on top. It will create a blurry ghost effect and the stickers won't get dirty. Now no one can say these ghosts are too small to see. Rosie quickly comes up with a way to prank the teacher. Let's pretend to be ghosts. Welcome to Ghost Class! Miss Olivia doesn't like the joke. She asks our ghostly Ben to come to the blackboard. Unfortunately, his answers turned out ghostly too. Rosie writes down her secrets in her tiny notebook. What's in it? A plan of pranks on her neighbor? Ben got curious and he snatches this kiss. Oops! I mean emoji notebook. Cut 2 little circles out of a yellow foam sheet. Take a block of paper out of an old notebook and cut out the same circle. Put the papers into the foam paper cover. Poke 2 holes with an awl. Stick in a thin wire and make 2 rings with pliers. Add a kiss emoji with acrylic paint. Cut a little heart out of a red eraser. And attach it to the emoji. Ben reads Rosie's secrets from the mini notebook out loud. It's so pathetic. Rosie is in despair. Miss Olivia will settle the argument. The friends are having an argument in class, but Miss Olivia makes it very clear that they have to stop. This mini school supply organizer perfectly shows her mood. Make a polymer clay ball with a hole inside. It'll be a smiling face with horns emoji. Attach clay horns to the top. Bake it following the package instructions. Color the piece with purple acrylic paint. Make the front side lighter. Add a devil emoji face with a black marker. Stick small colored LEDs into the stand. What a cute devil! And it's not evil at all. And Ben got inspired by the bad emoji, so he plots a prank. But his plan didn't work. Thank goodness there are some spare pencils in the organizer for our evil genius Ben. Rosie wants to draw a maze, but Ben refuses to give her a ruler. It's way too bland for Rosie's talent. Here, take this mini emoji ruler instead. Melt pieces of old crayons over a candle. Pour the wax onto a silicone mat in a thin layer. When it hardens, shape a rectangle. Draw hatch marks with a marker. Add an emoji with acrylic paint. This ruler looks very confused. It's a shame, 'cause it's really cute. Rosie puts the mini ruler into the tiny organizer so that she doesn't lose this emoji. Did you like our emoji school supplies? Then let us know in the comments which emotional school supplies you would sneak into class. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new back-to-school ideas on Troom Troom.